Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with brightness not working in Windows 11. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly try turning down and turning up the brightness using F4 and F5 key. If it does not work, simply click Windows plus A to open this tab at the right hand side corner. Here you can see the option of brightness. Simply drag that button and then you will be able to change the brightness. Even through this step, if your brightness is not working, click Windows plus I to open the setting application in your device. Then after, in the setting, head towards display. So simply go to system from the left hand side corner and at the top you will see the option of display. Simply click on it and there too you will see the option of brightness. Try turning it down using the drag option. After this, you can see a drop down menu beside the brightness. Simply click on it and simply choose the option of off in the setting of change brightness based on content, as that might also be causing problem in brightness for your device. After that, even after all this step, if your problem is not solved, simply head towards setting. Scroll all the way down to search for the specification of your device and make sure that your device is up to date. So click on the About option and there you will be able to see the version of your laptop or PC. After that, the last option is to restart your device. So click on the Start menu, go to the Power option and click on Restart. So that's it. That is how easily you can fix the issue with brightness not working in Windows 11. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.